Now coming to the next one, now you decided we have to build a website. Now the question comes is on what topic. It's also called as, in marketing words we call them as a niche in business terms. So in what topic you can build. Now whenever you are trying to build a website, if you want to have a successful website, you have to consider three things. The first thing is check your passion. What do you like? Okay, what makes you excited? Check your expertise. What are you good at? And check the market. Can I make money from it? If you're more likely not to make money, your passion or expertise won't matter in any way. Okay. So coming to the first one is, I have made a list of passion. You don't have to consider this, but I've mentioned few of them. Like some people will be excited about travel, food, money, blog, and of course, health, photography, gadgets, fashion. See what makes you excited. What type of people you follow, what type of brands you follow on Instagram, what type of videos you watch every day on YouTube. So those are things that says that you like it, that you have passion about it. So make a list of 5 or 10 things that you are passionate about. Right now, take a piece of paper, pause this video, take a piece of paper, make a list of like 5 to 10 things that you are excited to do. So that gives you a passion. Next one, then you filter them by expertise. What is that knowledge? What is the, if I say you to write an article, or if I ask you, if I call you and ask you, I have a question on this particular topic which you are expert, which you are passionate about, and if you will be able to give me some guidance on how to choose it. That's where you comes under expertise. Now what I did, I made a list of passion and I filtered based on expertise. My expertise into photography, I don't have no idea about photography, I just mentioned it. So just example, digital marketing is my expertise, playing games is my expertise. Actually I play a lot of games, watch a lot of movies, and of course I do follow a lot of sports. So this is some expertise of mine where I can help them, I can guide them, and I can tell what to do next. Okay, or mentor them. Okay, so that's your expertise. Now whatever is your passion, take a list of 10 things and filter them by your expertise, maybe like 4 5. And the last one is check in that, choose one topic, only one topic, not multiple, only one topic where you can make money from it. So how to make money? First one is to monetize through Adsense. See if I can put ads. Of course you can monetize, every site can be monetized through Adsense. Okay, but we're talking about is the most important one is affiliate marketing. Is there any products on Amazon, any physical products I can sell? Say I choose an example, my passion is photography, just an example. Now is there any now coming to my expertise, say I know everything about photography, I know what lens, what camera gear to buy and all those stuff. Now coming to, is there any affiliate products that I can promote? Let's see if let me go to Amazon. See, let's see if I can, is there any products related to photography or DSLRs? Now can you see this, guys? All these products are available. So what I can do is I can write articles and I can put my affiliate links, and if someone clicks on those affiliate links and visits Amazon and buys, I get referral fee, which I wish to tell in my first class of digital marketing. Yes, there are some physical products. See, is there any digital products? Example is check for physical, check physical products, check on Amazon. For digital products, check websites like ClickBank. Now these are few websites to check, is there any affiliate products is there any affiliate products I can make. If it is not there, go back to the previous step, find other products. Okay, and the last one is, now coming to just most commonly asked question is Google AdSense. What exactly is that? You use that word, I don't know what it is. So just an example, I go to ndtv.com. You would have seen ads here, maybe here. It's loading, just give me a second. You have seen ads like this. Let's see here, there's an ad here of Amazon. There's an ad here of Amazon start selling. That's an ad. I'll scroll up. There's an ad here by AirPods. Can you see this? There's an ad here of AirPods. So it says ads by Google. Now why is this ad shown on NTV website? Because every 1,000 impressions, every click, this website is making money. So I'll teach you how to get approved from AdSense and how to put ads like this in your website. That is monetizing through AdSense. That is one of the easiest way, but that's not the one we should be looking for when you're starting a business or when you start choosing a niche. This is the one you should be looking for, affiliate marketing. Is there any physical products or digital products? Physical products are like check Amazon, Flipkart, any other e-commerce store that you are pretty famous for. And for digital products, see like websites like ClickBank, etc., to see any products are available, which we'll be covering when we do the topic. We'll be covering all those stuff later. Now all of the things I'm telling you is the theory. We'll be starting with the practical soon. So coming to the third one is there anywhere we can sell my own products and services? Like products are like, is there any like products, can I sell any books or courses on photography or something like that? That's a good way. So coming to the, and is there any services that you can offer? like candid photography, wedding photography, etc. Now coming to my niche, guys, my passion is digital marketing, expertise is that, and of course you are watching this means most likely you bought the course. That means I'm selling my products and services. So those are three things to consider when you are choosing a niche. Okay, in the next step, we'll be starting with the practicals on how to buy a domain, how to buy hosting, and how to install WordPress, how to build a website, and all those stuff. But take your time, don't rush it. Filter first, make a list of things that we are excited about. Then you are filter them by your expertise, your knowledge. If you have a passion about food, when it comes to expertise, I don't have any expertise. So that's not a good niche to talk about, even if it makes me a lot of money. So make sure you have passion, you have some expertise about it, and then last one, check is there any way we can make money. If it's not, again go back, filter it, again filter it, and you definitely find a lot of nice niches that you have a lot of interest about, expertise about, passionate about. And that is what I want to talk about in this topic on how to choose a niche.